Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. As of 2025, the most profitable YouTube niches with high CPMs are typically those that attract advertisers willing to pay a premium for targeted exposure. Niches with the highest CPMs typically focus on specific demographics, industries, and consumer needs, where there is competition from advertisers. Here are 10 high CPM YouTube niches to consider in 2025. Let's take a look at what they are. Number 10. Legal and law advice. Topics related to legal advice, understanding the law, personal injury claims, and consumer rights attract advertisers such as law firms and legal service providers. Average CPM, 25 to 55 plus. Number 9. Software and software as a service. Channels that review software, discuss software solutions for businesses, or offer tutorials related to digital tools attract high-paying tech advertisers. Average CPM, 20 to 60 plus. Number 8. Automotive. Content like car reviews, automotive technology, luxury cars, and driving experiences get significant attention from car manufacturers and automotive companies. Average CPM, 20 to 50 plus. Number 7. Real estate. Real estate investment, home buying tips, property management, and market analysis attract advertisers promoting home loans, real estate agencies, or construction materials. Average CPM, 25 to 55 plus. Number 6. Education and online learning. Channels providing educational content, skill development tutorials, and online course reviews cater to audiences seeking to improve themselves or their careers. Many online education platforms and edtech companies pay for ads in this space. Average CPM, 20 to 45 plus. Number 5. Luxury goods and fashion. High-end fashion, luxury watches, cars, travel, and high-quality product reviews often come with a premium price tag for advertisers targeting wealthy consumers. Average CPM, 15 to 40 plus. Number 4. Business and entrepreneurship. Content related to starting a business, entrepreneurship tips, digital marketing, and leadership attracts a business-focused audience. Companies selling services for entrepreneurs, like SaaS tools, business coaching, and digital courses, advertise in this space. Average CPM, 20 to 50 plus. Number 3. Health and wellness. This covers topics such as fitness, nutrition, mental health, weight loss, medical advice, supplements, and overall well-being. Health and wellness brands often target consumers willing to invest in premium products. Average CPM, 15 to 45 plus. Number 2. Technology and gadgets. Reviews and tutorials on the latest gadgets, smartphones, computers, software, AI, and emerging tech trends attract major tech companies with high advertising budgets. Average CPM, 20 to 60 plus. Number 1. Finance and investing. This includes topics like personal finance, stock market tips, real estate investing, cryptocurrency, financial planning, and wealth-building strategies. Advertisers in this niche are often looking for a high-income, investment-savvy audience. Average CPM, 30 to 70 plus. High CPMs are often related to the purchasing power of your audience. Niches that target high-income, decision-making individuals tend to perform better. CPM rates can vary by geography. Audiences in countries like the US, Canada, and the UK tend to have higher CPMs compared to other regions. Some industries, like finance and technology, naturally have more demand for targeted advertising, pushing up the CPM. In conclusion, the niches above represent areas where content is highly valuable to advertisers, and creators in these spaces can expect higher earnings per 1,000 views. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.